Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let me show you the way I use gel nail polish for my daughter nails at home for beginner. So yeah, I'm just going to clean her cuticle without damaging it. So I just put some product to make it softer. Yeah, I'm just removing the dead skin out of her nails. So I will do the same thing all over our nails. Practice make perfect, guys. Just learn as we go. It's very easy. When you can do this, your nails can last for weeks. You don't need to go to the salon to do your nails every time for 40-50 euro. You can practice at home. I practice now. I can't go to the nail salon to do my nails. I can do mine. I can also do for my children. So that is what I'm just doing right now. I'm trying to remove all the dead skin from our nails using cuticle pusher to remove it. Keep on watching, guys, as we go. I explain at the same time. I am done with that, so now I'm just removing the oil from our nail using nail remover to remove it, because when you have oil on your plate, the nail contact will not stay on it. The gel will not stay. A few days it will pull out. That is why you have to do this. This is really important, guys. Remove oil from all the 10 finger before you use nail file to file it a little bit, so that the nail file make it smoother, and the same time we also make the nail contact to stay on the nail. So here I'm just filing our nail gently. I do the same thing all over our 10 finger. So I just shape it to the normal shape, so that it's not too long, it's not too shorter either. So when I finish with this, I will take softer buffer just to make it more smooth. That is what I'm doing here. I'm going to do it all over the 10 finger as well. This one make it more smoother. It's really soft. It's like sponge. So when I finish with that, I will dust it out. All the extra dust on the nails, I will try to dust it out before I will continue the next process. So guys, if you watch me to this moment, I really appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Let us know what you think about this in the comment section. Let's continue with the video, guys. So here I'm done. I'm just dusting everything to make it more cleaner. So I'm just going to use nail prep to prep the nail. What this nail prep does, it removes oil from the plate. So that is what I'm just doing now. I will continue with nail primer before the contest. So this is what she chose. She chose this beautiful red for today. That is what I'm going to put all over her 10 finger. Guys, this is gel. Don't forget, before you dry the gel on the machine, try to see if there is no any contest on the skin. If there is not a problem. You can clean it before you dry it. If it doesn't do that, that one will cause lifting. That is the reason why your nail will not last longer. So as soon as you have any contest on your nail, try to remove it with nail remover. That one will make your nails last waste. That's what we are just doing right away. It's really a beautiful color we are going for today, guys. So these nails, I'm going to put it on the lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm going to use 2 coats for these nails. So that twice, I'm going to dry it for 30 seconds each. And the last time with top coat, I will dry it for. That is what I'm doing. Here you can see I'm trying to see if there is any contest on her nails, and if there is, I will make sure I clean it before she put it on the lamp for 30 seconds, guys. Don't forget to do that. When you do that, your nails will last longer. You don't need to go to salon. You can practice at home, guys. This is beginner friendly, guys. So practice make perfect, as I say before. So now she's going to put it on the lamp for 30 seconds, and I continue with the second finger also. So that is what we are just doing right now. We are going to do it all over and for the 10th finger. We are done drying the nails, guys. So I'm just using 70% alcohol to wipe excess content that is left on the plate. So I'm just removing it. When I'm done with that, I will top coat the nails. This is the top coat we are going for today. Top coat is really important. It make it more laster, and at the same time make it more shiner. So this is our nails of today, guys. Don't forget to let us know what you think about it. And don't forget to know if you try it out in the comment section. Put it down there so that we know that this video was helpful to somebody. So this is what I do once a while for myself and my children. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, share to friends and family. Now I'm done with that, so I'm just going to put oil on the nail. If any dryness is on the nail, so this oil will help it. This is beautiful oil. I'm just rubbing it into a finger. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.